Hello and welcome back on No Limit Tech, guys. Today it's the first video of the year 2022, which we are going to review the S3 Pro SuperBox. To see its feature and the specs, we are going to review all of these things. So let's get started. Here we are, guys, again. So let's open the box to see what it's have inside. So here we find our box. We have a power adapter, an HDMI cable, and this beautiful remote control. Let's take off the box from the back. So as you see, guys, this is the Android box, which have two Wi-Fi antenna, which help you to receive a strong signal of the Wi-Fi. So let's see what it have here. Here we find the DC port of the power supply. We have an ER plug. If you want to plug it with a small piece, will help you to control it from many angles. Here we have an AV. This is a 3.5 jack. Here we find the HDMI and Ethernet, SPDIF. From the right angle, we have, let me zoom. So here we have the reset button over here. Then we have USB 2 and another one for USB 3. Here you find the SD card plug. From the other section, you find these small holes. It's for ventilations. Also, you find it on the back of it. So the box comes with Android 9. Also, it have a quad-core Cortex A53 processor. Also, you have Mali 720 MP2 GPU, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, dual band Wi-Fi, and 4.1 Bluetooth. Also, it have H265 video decoder, and it supports 4K and 6K. So now, guys, as you see, I just plugged the HDMI cable. Now I'm going to plug the DC power. So as you see, the box, it's turned on. So as you see, it's still fresh. I didn't use it yet. So now let's agree. Hit OK. And then next. And finish. So as you see, this is the interface, the home screen. So as you see here, we have a live TV, VOD, playback, apps, app store, browser, and these icons here, you can customize it and you can add your favorite apps. So after we set up our box, now we have to do some quick tests. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to the App Store, as you see over here, and then click on App Store. and you have to download these 2 or 3 applications, the Blue VOD and the Blue TV and the playback. It's important. And now let's go to do some quick tests. Now I'm going to start with the speed test, which I had previous models of other boxes, which the internet speed it doesn't reach to 22 megabytes per second. So now I'm going to test this one. I'm going to use the application's name Fast. So that's cool. So as you see, guys, the speed was 71, and which is good because my modem, it doesn't put out more than 80 megabytes per second. So that's good. Now let's go back and try also the Blue TV. So this is it. Here you can find everything you want. And let's try Netflix. So as you see, guys, it's working perfectly. Also Netflix, it's not I have a subscription of UHD and 4K, but you know the video quality on this Netflix, on this box, it's not 4K. I think it's 720p or 180 maximum. So now I'm going to see YouTube also. So as you see, guys, it's working also perfect, no problem. So I already did a benchmark test, and now I'm going to look up in the history to show you the result that I got before. Here it is. So as you see, guys, the benchmark result score was a 110 for a single core and 333 for the multi-cores, which is not bad compared to other Android boxes. The box, it's working fast and smooth. There is no lags, no problems. So before we jump to the 4K test, guys, I recommend you to subscribe to the channel and like, and also join my Telegram group so we can talk there if you have any questions. So as you see, guys, the color they are perfect, and the 4K it's playing without any problem, no lag, no nothing, so you can see. And I'm going to try another video to see if it's gonna work also. Yeah, so as you see, it's working without any problem. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to use the microphone option over here. So for the first time, you have to type on the microphone like that. Now you see this page. All you have to do is type on OK and back in the same time. So now as you see, it's searching. Let's keep pressing. Search complete, and then let's now it's keep blinking as you see. So hit OK, and now as you see it said pairing, so it's connected. Now so let's try it for an example. Open YouTube. So guys, to use it you need to keep holding on the button and then talk. Before I was thinking just to push on it, to click on it once and talk. So let's go back, let's try again. Open TV. So as you see, it's so fast. And let's open the Fast app. Open Fast. So guys, we come to the end of this video. In the description box I will put the link where you can buy this Android box, and by using my code, which is no limit, as you see in the screen, you will get a $30 discount. And for any information, just join me on Telegram for more information. So I will put the link of my Telegram channel again. So here is in the screen. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.